Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure IRS Direct Pay for tax payments alongside insurance expenses, beginner guide step by step clearly. To configure IRS Direct Pay for tax payments alongside your insurance expenses, start by visiting the official IRS website. Locate the Direct Pay section on the home page. Click on the Make a Payment option. Choose the reason for your payment from the drop-down menu. Select Estimated Tax if you are making estimated payments. Input your information as prompted, including your Social Security number and filing status. Next, provide your bank account details for payment processing. Make sure to enter your account number and routing number carefully. After entering your details, review the payment amount you wish to send. If you have insurance expenses to factor in, calculate your total tax payment accordingly. Consider any deductible insurance premiums that may affect your overall tax liability. Continue by selecting the date you want the payment to be processed. Verify your information one final time to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, submit your payment. You will receive a confirmation number after successful submission. Save this confirmation for your records. Log into your email for a payment confirmation from the IRS. Keep this confirmation document along with your tax records for future reference. This completes the process of using IRS Direct Pay for your tax payments and insurance expenses. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.